There are so many trees in Canada. It's one of our country's greatest natural resources. Yet, about a hectare of our forest disappears every 10 minutes. That's about a city block. Even worse, worldwide, forest area the size of New Brunswick disappears every year. We already have strong evidence that deforestation changes the weather. Trees are the silent giants of our atmosphere. During their life cycle, trees absorb enormous quantities of CO2, one of the greenhouse gases. These same trees then give off, in particular, lots of oxygen. The forest canopy keeps a region relatively cool and moist by shade and retaining water vapor. Human structures do not have this ability. So a deforested, urbanized area becomes warmer and drier than it was as a forest. That's why in most cities around the world, temperatures are warmer than their surrounding regions. Just in central Montreal or Toronto, it's 2 to 3 degrees Celsius warmer than out of town. Trees help to regulate the levels of CO2 and oxygen in the atmosphere. But our energy-consuming lifestyles are adding even more CO2. What's worse is that the permanent loss of forests on a large scale due to land development takes away part of nature's filtering system, allowing for a buildup of CO2 in the atmosphere. Because CO2 is the most abundant of the atmosphere's greenhouse gases, forests play an essential role in limiting their concentrations. But with less forests, less CO2 is absorbed. The result is an increase of CO2, and the global climate gets warmer.